My name's Corey Streeter. I've been with Specialty Heating for 23 years and I am the operations manager. I think Aeroseal would be a good fit for homeowners that really care about energy efficiency as well as comfort and indoor air quality. Aeroseal is just a process through which we can seal ductwork from the inside out. It's like fix a flat, but for ductwork. The other alternative way of sealing ductwork is just doing it by hand, and you just cannot get access to all the ductwork. A lot of it is in the walls, under the floors, and since Aeroseal is flowing through the entire duct system, we can get to literally every square inch of the ductwork. Another thing that Aeroseal really can bring to the forefront is people who don't even know they have a huge deficiency. You know, people who slip 12-inch round pipe into 14-inch round pipe and don't bother to seal it, so you literally have a 2-inch gap all the way around the duct system, but they weren't even aware of it because they turned on the furnace. It still heats, it still cools, but in a really inefficient manner. You know, with current utility rates going higher and higher and higher, to basically throw away that much energy is just an incredible waste and really can impact your pocketbook. To give you an example of the impact of that, say a typical average home, 2,000 square feet, has a 3-ton air conditioner. A 3-ton air conditioner needs 1,200 cubic feet of air per minute delivered. So if you're losing 300 of that 1,200, yeah, it's about a 30% loss of airflow, you know, and you're paying to heat that air or cool that air. On the indoor air quality side, we have a lot of customers that say the home's always dusty, or the home will smell like the crawl space, kind of that musty smell, and it's because of all those little leaks in the ductwork in the crawl space. So if we can come in, seal up all that air, and now they're breathing the air that's already been filtered, it's nice clean air. I mean, everybody wants to save money, everybody wants to breathe cleaner air, and everybody wants to be more comfortable in their home. Although there is a lot that goes into it, from the homeowner's standpoint, it's just one day of your time, and you know, we can really make a big impact for you.